If you're looking for a quick and easy way to archive expired or used content automatically, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set this up in just a few steps, so you don't have to worry about manually managing content anymore. Now let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is find software that can handle this task for you, preferably something that can automatically track content expiration dates and archive it when it's no longer needed. I've tried several popular tools, but the one I recommend is the software we'll be using today. Not only is it super efficient, but it offers you a simple setup that doesn't require any technical know-how. Once you have the software installed, the next step is configuring it to track when your content expires. Usually, you'll find an option in the settings to define the expiration period for your content, whether it's based on a date or after it's been used a certain number of times. This ensures that the content will be archived once it's no longer relevant, keeping everything organized automatically. After setting up the expiration rules, you'll want to set up your archive location. Most software allows you to choose where your expired content goes, whether it's a specific folder on your device, cloud storage, or a database. Make sure you pick somewhere that's easily accessible so you can always retrieve your archived content if needed. Now, here's where it gets even better. The software we're using today lets you automate the entire process, so you don't have to worry about manually archiving your content every time it expires. Just set it, forget it, and let the software do all the heavy lifting. It can even handle large volumes of content if you're running a business or managing a lot of digital assets. This will save you so much time. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial to try out this software for yourself. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out if you want to follow along and get hands-on with the process. The key takeaway here is this: automating the archiving of expired or used content is a game changer. It keeps your digital space clean and organized without the hassle of doing it manually. Set expiration rules, choose your archive location, and let the software handle the rest. To quickly summarize, first, install the software and configure the expiration settings. Second, select where you want to store the archived content. Finally, automate the process to save time. It's that simple. Remember, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the software we used in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.